Hey guys, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to be making a roasted vegetable and pasta dish. Now every year I've been putting out a little box garden and I am loving it. I'm putting in little cherry tomatoes, some herbs, some peppers. Not a big garden, but big enough so I can go out and grab some fresh parsley, basil. Roasted vegetables always add so much flavor to a dish. So today I'm going to be roasting some of my cherry and grape tomatoes. I think you're really going to love this dish. It's simple, it's good. You're going to want to make it. Check it out.